Just like snow and holiday seasons begin, Samsung rumors and leaks season is also at its full bloom, as the Galaxy S24 series is rumored to be announced in mid-January before going on sale in February. Leaks are continue to becoming reapply. After some recent speculation and leaked renders, it appears that the S24 Ultra will not only move to a titanium shell, following the trend that Apple started with the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max. A leak obtained by Windows Report shows that Samsung is going quite royal with its color lineup for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. It's come in 4 different colors that accentuate its new body. It should come in titanium black, gray, violet, and yellow. While the black, gray, and violet variations are quite subdued and typical for the Galaxy line, the yellow, which to be honest is more like shiny gold, is very in your face and gaudy, but it somehow fits well with the new look and potential feel of the phone. The precursor to each color grabs our attention as well: titanium. In October, rumors suggested that the Galaxy S24 Ultra could have a titanium frame. It was unclear whether that would extend to all the phones in the Galaxy line or be reserved for the top-of-the-line Ultra. Based on those renders, though, we think it's pretty safe to say that Samsung is leaning towards titanium being the way of the world for only the Ultra. Aluminum should fill the shape of the S24 and S24 Plus. Even further back in August, it's reported on leaks that said the Galaxy S24 Ultra could leave its curved display in the dust for a flat screen with a rounded frame. The curved screen has been a hallmark of the line ever since 2014's Galaxy Note Edge, but not everyone was a big fan of it. The curve takes away from the functional screen size and distorts elements along the sides of the display, which leads to a lesser experience than if it was just flat, which it now appears to be. The normal Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus should get 4 colors as well, with all of them matching their more expensive counterpart. Since those phones are almost certainly going to be cased in aluminum, they'll come in onyx black, marble gray, cobalt violet, and amber yellow. They don't look as striking in their renders compared to the titanium-based S24 Ultra's pictures, but at the same time, we won't be able to make a clear comparison until they're unveiled in January. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is set to still be the powerhouse we all know it to be. It's expected to utilize Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset in all markets. The Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus, on the other hand, are expected to be released in international markets with an Exynos chip. This will return that stark SoC split that was present in the Galaxy line from a few years ago. This could be a big put-up or shut-up moment for Samsung's in-house line with the Exynos 2400 that's rumored to be inside some versions of the S24. It promises faster CPU performance and AI processing when compared to previous models, but with those models having well-documented overheating problems, there's concern to be had. Nonetheless, if you opt for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, regardless of where you live, you'll all but certainly get a Snapdragon chip and a strikingly colored titanium body to go with it. Expect more details about the device to leak in the coming weeks. To keep yourself updated, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace out.